Let's break down artificial intelligence, or AI. You've probably heard the term everywhere, from news headlines to tech ads and maybe even in conversations with friends. But what does it really mean? Is it just about robots taking over the world, or is there something more practical and interesting going on? Forget the sci-fi robots. AI is really about smart computer programs that learn and make decisions. Instead of following a strict set of instructions, these programs can adapt, improve, and even surprise us with their solutions. They're designed to tackle problems that used to require human intelligence, like understanding language, recognizing images, or making predictions. Humans learn from experience and spot patterns. We notice when things repeat, and we use that knowledge to make choices every day, like picking the fastest route to work or recognizing a friend's face in a crowd. AI is our way of teaching computers to do the same, but at a much bigger scale. Imagine a computer that can sift through millions of data points in seconds, finding connections and trends that would take humans years to uncover. That's the power of AI. It's already in your life. When Netflix suggests a movie, it's using AI to analyze your viewing habits, compare them to millions of others, and predict what you'll enjoy next. Or when your phone reroutes you around traffic, that's AI at work too. It's constantly processing real-time data from thousands of drivers to find the quickest path for you. Even when you shop online and see those eerily accurate product recommendations, that's AI analyzing your clicks, searches, and purchases to guess what you might want next. The real magic is called machine learning, feeding computers tons of data so they can spot patterns, like recognizing cats in photos. The more examples they see, the better they get at figuring out what's what. After enough training, AI can identify things it's never seen before, making it powerful and adaptable. It can spot a new breed of dog, recognize a song from just a few notes, or even translate languages on the fly. AI isn't just one thing. It's a universe of technologies, from sorting your email to composing music or helping doctors diagnose diseases. It's behind the scenes in healthcare, entertainment, finance, and even the way we communicate. It's not about replacing us with robots, but about building tools that can handle complex tasks. These tools can boost our productivity, help us solve problems faster, and even open up new possibilities we haven't imagined yet. In education, AI can personalize learning, helping students master subjects at their own pace. In business, it can spot trends and opportunities that would otherwise go unnoticed. Understanding AI is the first step to seeing how it's changing our world, including our jobs. It's reshaping industries, creating new roles, and transforming the way we work together. And yes, we'll get into what that means for your future. Whether you're excited or a little nervous, knowing how AI works will help you navigate what's coming next. Let's dive in. AI isn't coming. It's already here, transforming jobs right now. Self-checkout kiosks at stores. That's automation replacing cashiers. In transportation, self-driving trucks are being tested, challenging the role of long-haul drivers. Office work isn't immune. Software bots now handle data entry, scheduling, and basic reports. These jobs are repetitive and follow clear rules, making them perfect for AI. The first wave of the AI job revolution is automating the predictable. This shift forces us to rethink what work means for millions. So what's next for the people whose jobs are changing? Why are companies turning to AI? The answer lies in a powerful combination of factors that are reshaping the way businesses operate in today's fast-paced world. In an era where every second counts and competition is fierce, organizations are constantly searching for ways to gain an edge. AI offers a compelling solution. It's simple: speed, cost, and accuracy. These three pillars are at the heart of AI's appeal. Companies want to move faster, spend less, and make fewer mistakes. AI delivers on all fronts, making it a game-changer for industries across the board. Unlike humans, AI systems don't need breaks, sleep, or vacations. They work 24/7, never get tired, and can process massive amounts of information at lightning speed. This relentless efficiency means tasks that once took hours or days can now be completed in minutes or even seconds. After the initial investment in technology and training, AI becomes significantly cheaper than paying salaries, benefits, and overhead for human workers. Businesses can scale up operations without dramatically increasing costs, making growth more sustainable and predictable. Human error is a constant risk, especially when people are tired or distracted. AI, on the other hand, operates with consistent precision. It doesn't make mistakes from fatigue or lose focus, which translates into higher quality and reliability. In manufacturing, this means fewer defects and recalls. In accounting, it means fewer costly errors and more accurate financial reporting. The benefits ripple across every department, improving overall performance. But AI's true power lies in its ability to handle complexity at a scale humans simply can't match. It can analyze billions of data points, uncover hidden patterns, and generate insights that would take teams of people years to find, if they could find them at all. That's why AI is revolutionizing fields like scientific research, financial analysis, and logistics. It's helping scientists make breakthroughs, analysts spot trends, and companies optimize supply chains with unprecedented accuracy. AI isn't just about replacing repetitive or simple tasks. It's becoming a partner in solving complex problems, helping engineers design new products, assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases, and enabling researchers to push the boundaries of what's possible. The economic logic is clear. If a machine can do a job better, faster, and cheaper, businesses will naturally gravitate toward that solution. It's not just about saving money. It's about staying competitive in a rapidly changing world. This drive for efficiency, accuracy, and innovation is what's fueling the rapid adoption of AI across every industry, transforming the way we work and live. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's transforming them. In medicine, AI helps doctors spot details in scans they might miss, acting as a second set of eyes. Designers use AI tools to generate ideas and handle tedious tasks, freeing them to focus on creativity. Lawyers use AI to sift through mountains of documents in minutes. Teachers use AI to personalize learning for each student. The pattern? AI takes over repetitive work, while humans focus on creativity, strategy, and empathy. The best jobs of the future will be those where humans and AI collaborate. It's evolution, not extinction. So, what can't AI do? The most valuable skills are the most human. Creativity, coming up with new original ideas, is still our domain. Complex problem solving, especially when the rules aren't clear, is where humans shine. Emotional intelligence, building trust, inspiring teams, and understanding feelings can't be automated. Critical thinking, analyzing, questioning, and making ethical decisions remains a human strength. Jobs that rely on these skills, like therapists, leaders, and innovators, are hard to automate. In an AI-driven world, these abilities are your superpower. Focus on what makes you uniquely human. That's your edge. The key to thriving in the age of AI: lifelong learning. Don't just train for one job. Develop adaptable, transferable skills like communication and creative problem solving. Get comfortable with technology. You don't have to code, but digital literacy is essential. Learn by doing. Start projects, volunteer for new initiatives, and build a portfolio of real-world skills. Online courses and resources make learning accessible to everyone. Be intentional. Set aside time each week to learn something new. Stay curious and follow your interests. Your career isn't a straight ladder, it's an adventure with many paths. The world won't stand still, and neither should you. Keep growing. If you're a student, you're in a unique spot, growing up with AI all around you. Focus on how you learn, not just what you memorize. Curiosity and problem solving matter more than facts. Combine different fields, mix tech with art, science with data, or any combo that excites you. Explore electives and look for connections between subjects. Get hands-on, internships, clubs, side projects, or even starting something yourself. These experiences teach teamwork, resilience, and practical skills you can't get from textbooks. Build your human skills: public speaking, collaboration, empathy, and giving feedback. In a world where technical skills can be automated, your humanity is your greatest asset. Don't neglect it, embrace it. Your future is about blending tech with what makes you, you. Already working? Don't fear change, lean into it. Identify which parts of your job are repetitive and which require creativity or complex communication. Shift your focus to the human-centric tasks that AI can't do. Lead projects, mentor others, and solve problems that don't have easy answers. Become the go-to person for new technology. Learn it, master it, and help others adapt. Lifelong learning is your mantra. Target skills that are in demand for your next career step. use company resources, take online courses, and seek mentors. Don't wait for your job to change. Be proactive and shape your own path. Make yourself indispensable by doing what only humans can do. Be the architect of your own career evolution. It's easy to worry about AI taking jobs, but if we look back, history shows us that every major technological leap has created new opportunities, not just replaced old ones. From the steam engine to the internet, each innovation has changed the way we work, but it's also opened doors to entirely new industries and careers that we couldn't have imagined before. AI is a tool, our most powerful yet, meant to extend our abilities, not replace us. Just like calculators didn't make mathematicians obsolete, AI is here to help us solve bigger problems, faster, and more efficiently. It's about working smarter, not harder. By taking over the boring, repetitive, and sometimes even dangerous tasks, AI frees us to focus on what truly matters: creative thinking, problem solving, and building relationships. Imagine a world where we spend less time on paperwork and more time innovating, connecting, and making a difference. The future isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans working with machines, combining our unique strengths. AI can process data at lightning speed, but only people can bring empathy, intuition, and imagination to the table. Already, doctors are diagnosing diseases more accurately with AI's help, scientists are making discoveries faster, and artists are exploring new creative frontiers. These collaborations are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in every field. This partnership between humans and AI can unlock new levels of productivity and creativity, allowing teams to achieve goals that once seemed out of reach. Together we can tackle challenges that are too complex for either humans or machines alone. The key is to stay adaptable, curious, and focused on our most human qualities, like empathy, critical thinking, and lifelong learning. Embracing change and upskilling ourselves will ensure we thrive in this new era. This is a moment of incredible opportunity to redefine what work means and elevate what we do best. By combining our creativity with AI's capabilities, we can shape a future that's more innovative, inclusive, and rewarding for everyone. The robots aren't coming for us. They're coming to help. They're here to be our partners, supporting us in ways that make our jobs more meaningful and our lives better. Let's embrace this new chapter and build the future together, one where humans and AI work side by side to achieve more than we ever thought possible.